So here's the deal with XRP. It's going to increase velocity of money when they implement it. Traditionally, the only lever that they could pull at the Fed to do that was lower interest rates. And it's a downstream effect, right? So they lower interest rates, they make money cheaper to borrow, more people borrow money, more money flows around the economy. When XRP is implemented for instant settlement, the velocity of money picks up without them having to do that. And so I think that a healthy economy in the US would be somewhere around 4 to 6% interest rates. I would love it if the Fed or the Treasury, whoever ends up taking over control of this stuff, leaves rates about where they're at. I think, making 4 or 5% on a savings account, people are okay with leaving their money in a bank, which provides stability for their ability to lend more money out and make good decisions with that capital because they have to generate a return for those people. It's economically sustainable for them to have rates here. If they continue to lower interest rates, we get into a position like Japan's been in for the past 30 years where it's difficult to raise them without causing people to be over leveraged because people continue to extend themselves to however much leverage they can get. And if the money is free, like it's been in Japan, we see tens of trillions of dollars that have been borrowed from the Bank of Japan and put to work across multiple economies, which is now a global margin call waiting to happen. I don't think the US wants to do that. So my speculation is that when they move to distributed ledger technology and we do have instant settlement, they might actually slightly increase rates from here in order to offset some of the velocity of money, because there's two components to inflation in an economy. One is M2 money supply, or how much money there is in an economy, and the second piece of that is the velocity of money, so how fast money moves through an economy.